Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to change your Twitter handle in 2023. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Twitter application in your mobile device. Once you find it, tap on it to open Twitter. Once on Twitter, tap on your profile photo on the upper left. This one over here. Just tap on it. Now when you tap on it, you will see Settings and Support. This one over here. Now tap on the drop-down. When you tap on it, you are now going to go to Settings and Privacy, the first option on Settings and Support. This one over here. It has a gear icon, so just tap on it. Once you're here, you will now see different settings. But this time, we are only going to click on one, and that is your account. This one over here. Then, tap on your account. Now that you are in your account, this time we are going to click on the first option, which is account information with a humanoid icon. In here, you can see your username, your phone, your email, your country. In here, we are going to change our username. So we are going to click on @username. Then in here, we can see our current, and now we can update our username. For the new one, it could be anything you like. Your favorite anime, your favorite movie, or your new nickname. It's all up to you. Twitter also provides suggestions. You can also use these if you like, or if it rings a bell to your ears. Once you are done inputting your new username, just click on Done. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and please subscribe to the channel. And while you're at it, leave a comment as well.